6:30 p.m. on Marquette campus, and the noise has finally calmed down.
It's really loud, and I wake up to it like every morning because it's right below my window.
It really annoys me. It's been kind of hard for my roommate because she's sick, so like she can't really get a good night's sleep because it wakes her up in the morning.
Well, at the beginning of the year, we'd probably wake up at 6 a.m. every morning because of it.
But when they work on the outside with the tractors, there's a lot of beeping waking us up.
It hasn't been fun for us.
It's usually like loud, sounds like just like huge bars like banging against each other.
All the noise is due to the construction next to Schrader Dorm. The construction starts in the morning and goes into the evening, Monday through Friday, with no end until early 2019.
It can get a little bit annoying, but I'm a pretty heavy sleeper, so it doesn't bother me too much, I guess.
Yeah, I feel like especially on like this side, obviously we're closer to it, and like we're lower, so, and it's like right there, so it's pretty noticeable and loud for us.
A $24 million athletic and human performance research center is what's being built right between 12th and 13th Street. While it's a nuisance to some, other students are excited.
No, it doesn't bother me because I'm excited for what's new.
In Milwaukee, I'm Chelsea Johanning for Marquette Wire News.